Let's talk about how to make pesto. Pesto is a kind of sauce for the Italians. Now, if you want to make pesto, you need garlic, a lot of garlic, you need pesto leaf, and you need Parmesan cheese, a lot of Parmesan cheese. You need olive oil. Now, chop your pesto leaf, chop it, chop properly, I mean properly. After chopping your pesto, chop your garlic, a lot of garlic, and then you add them together. Add a lot of olive oil, I mean olive oil, and then a lot of Parmesan cheese, and mix together. And now your pesto is ready. Like this, you can use it to eat. You can use it as a sauce for your pasta. Thank you. If you find this tip useful, please like, comment, and share for others to also get this opportunity. Thank you. Like this, by liking, you can get more tips like this.